There are so many things around us, like cow, dog, man, grass and trees. Can you tell how these things are similar or related in some ways? Do they breathe air? Do they move or grow? Do they need food and water? If your answer is yes, then they all are living things. So things that have life are living things. Hence we can say living things can move, living things can grow, living things can breathe, living things need food and water, living things can reproduce. There are so many other things around us, like house, car, mobile, chair, book, clothes, etc. Can you tell how these things are similar or connected in some ways? Do they breathe air? Do they move or grow? Do they need food and water? If your answer is no, then they all are non-living things. So things that do not have life are non-living things. Hence we can say non-living things cannot move, non-living things cannot grow, non-living things cannot breathe, non-living things do not need food and water, non-living things cannot reproduce. You, your mom, dad, your brothers or sisters are living things too. But pencil, pen, toys, comb and spoon are non-living things. Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Let's see how. Living things grow. You will grow bigger, taller and older. A baby grows into a child, which then grows into a man. Animals also grow big. A kitten grows into a cat. A calf grows into a cow. We can say living things can move. We human beings move using our legs. Animals also use their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, swim or slide. Living things breathe. Living things breathe in and breathe out air to live. Living things need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things feel. You feel cold in winter. You feel hot in summer. You feel pain when you get hurt. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is a process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its kind. A woman gives birth to a baby. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Non-living things do not grow, do not move on their own, do not breathe, feel or need food and water. They cannot reproduce, means they cannot have babies. Do you know a plant is also a living thing? A plant can grow. A seed grows into a plant which then grows into a tree. It needs food and water. Plants make their own food using water, air and sunlight. A plant can breathe also. We know that plants cannot move from one place to another on their own, but plants do show their movement. They move only their parts. Examples: the leaves of the touch-me-not plant close when touched. Sunflower follows the direction of the sun. The sunflower always turns toward the sun. Thank you.